Hello everyone. So I went ahead and put the anti-glare screen on, and I'm curious to see how it looks to you guys now. I'm taking the same route that I did the other day, and I just want to kind of get a feel for it, if in the GoPro it shows up or not. So although the image is a little bit dull, I can see it perfectly fine and no problems on my side. As a matter of fact, I get zero glare from the sun. Now I do need to make a trip to the grocery store, so that's why I'm out here. Hello everyone, this is my second anti-glare test. I had put one on just a few minutes ago, took it for a ride, and it made the screen so dull. I'll put that up right now too, so you can kind of see it. I didn't like it at all. So this is the second anti-glare screen that I'm testing out, and you know, I took out most of the glare. It still gives me just a tiny bit, which I think is needed, because anything more than this, it just washes all of the color out, and then you can't see it at all. So I'm gonna be curious to see how much of it you can see on camera now. As far as I go, it looks pretty good. Now I do need to clean it a little bit, and the line that you see there is because this particular anti-glare doesn't come in a big sheet. It's basically designed for one of the Amazon whatever you want to call those, notebooks or iPad kind of deals, and they only had a size for their 10. So right now it's much better than I had it, so overall I'm pretty happy with this one.